In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook page not found in search. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Facebook page. Now, on your Facebook page, click on the bottom right corner of your screen. This will take you to the menu section of Facebook. Now, click on the settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen beside the search button. This will redirect you to the settings and privacy section. Now in here, scroll down and look for page setup. On the view button beside page status to be able to view the status of your page. It's best to view the status of your page to check if your Facebook page is restricted by Facebook. Now, if your Facebook page isn't restricted, then head back to the settings and privacy section. Here, look for followers and public content and click on it. In here, make sure that all of the sections are set into public to make sure that your account is discoverable to all Facebook users. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.